Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Nariyal Toffee. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need fresh grated coconut, sugar, milk, and a touch of cardamom powder for that lovely aroma. Before we start cooking, make sure to grease your baking tray or dish. This prevents the toffee from sticking and makes removal much easier. Having everything ready ensures a smooth and enjoyable cooking process. Let's begin this sweet journey. Now let's get cooking. In a heavy-bottomed pan, combine your 2 cups of grated coconut, 1 cup of sugar, and half a cup of milk. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring continuously. This constant stirring is crucial to prevent burning and ensure even cooking. After about 15 minutes, you'll notice the mixture thickening and pulling away from the sides of the pan. This indicates it's almost ready. Stir in 1 teaspoon of fragrant cardamom powder. Once your toffee mixture reaches the right consistency, immediately pour it onto your prepared greased tray. Use a spatula or the back of a spoon to spread it out evenly. Aim for a uniform thickness of about 1 inch across the entire tray. This ensures consistent texture in every piece. Now comes the hardest part, patience. Let the toffee cool completely at room temperature. This usually takes around 2 hours, allowing it to firm up perfectly. After the Nariyal toffee has completely cooled and firmed up, it's time for the best part, cutting and enjoying. Use a sharp knife to cut the slab into your desired shapes. Traditional squares or diamonds work wonderfully. Carefully lift each piece from the tray. To keep your delicious toffee fresh, store it in an airtight container at room temperature. It will stay delightful for up to 5 days, perfect for sharing or savoring yourself. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.